Okay, way 17 deals with sublimation, and sublimation is the physical change in which a substance transforms from a solid to a gas, bypassing the liquid stage. So it goes directly from solid to gas. The most frequent examples that appear on the reagents include carbon dioxide, CO2, and iodine. So they'll ask you to identify compounds that sublimate, or they'll ask you to identify which of the following indicates an example of sublimation. So always think solid to gas. So let's try some problems. A few pieces of dry ice, CO2 solid at negative 78 degrees, are placed in a flask that contains air at 21 degrees Celsius. The flask is sealed by placing an uninflated balloon over the mouth of the flask. As the balloon inflates, the dry ice disappears and no liquid is observed in the flask. Write the name of the process that occurs as the dry ice undergoes a phase change in the flask. Think about this problem and how it relates to the idea. Okay, the correct answer is sublimation. Why? Here we have solid carbon dioxide bypassing the liquid stage and causing the balloon to inflate, thus producing a gas. Therefore, the answer has to be sublimation. Next question, which equation represents sublimation? So again, for problems like this, we just have to look at the state of matter and indicate which of the following is an example of sublimation. Here we see answer choice 2 is correct because it shows a solid transforming directly into a gas without producing a liquid. As a result, the answer choice is 2. Next question, which sample of matter sublimes at room temperature and standard pressure? So again, look at the idea and consider which answer is correct. Okay. If we're talking about sublimation, we have to start off as a solid. Therefore, the only answer choice that's correct is carbon dioxide solid, indicated by the S. And again, the most frequent examples are carbon dioxide and iodine. Next question, which equation represents an example of sublimation? Remember, sublimation is going from solid to liquid, and the only answer choice that indicates that is answer choice 1, solid to gas. Last question, in which process does a solid change directly into a vapor? Vapor is just another word for a gas. If you have a substance going from solid to vapor directly, that process is always sublimation. Condensation, if you don't know, is where you go from a gas to a liquid. Deposition is the opposite of sublimation, so you're going from a gas to a solid. Solidification is where you're going from a liquid state to a solid state, so you're freezing. So the correct answer is 2. Thank you for watching.